The Govee Lantern Floor Lamp made a beautiful first impression from the moment it came out of the box. Everything was packed neatly and protected well, with a clean presentation that made the unboxing feel thoughtful from start to finish. Inside, you get the lamp, a weighted base, 4 pole sections, the power adapter, a user manual, quick setup guide, and service card. Assembly was simple and took around 10 minutes. The easiest method was feeding the cord through one section at a time from the top down, which made the whole process feel smooth and straightforward. Once assembled, the design really stood out. It has a clean lantern-inspired silhouette that feels modern, minimal, and easy to place into a variety of spaces without adding visual clutter. The soft silicone shade gives the light a more diffused ambient look, and the overall effect feels calm, elevated, and inviting. Between the wide white light range, color options, and creative features in the app, this is one of those pieces that feels both functional and atmospheric. Overall, the Govee Lantern Floor Lamp feels thoughtfully designed, easy to set up, and genuinely enjoyable to explore.